Do you remember your most successful day as a loan officer? The day when you performed like a lending superhero? The day when everything just went right? Your job can be overwhelming, and when you're focused on accomplishing every item on your to-do list, finding the time to prospect, meet with new referral partners, and effectively communicate during the loan process can seem impossible. You need a system that sends loan update emails for you and reminds you to make important phone calls. One that not only stores your data, but uses it to help you close more loans. A system that makes you more efficient and productive, so you can relive your most successful day every day. You need a CRM. Unfortunately, the majority of CRMs on the market come as a completely blank slate. You're taking on the job and responsibilities of a copywriter, marketing strategist, analytics manager, and software expert. You have to write the emails, set up complicated campaigns, design an effective timing and content strategy, and even create new code. We don't think this makes sense. At Whiteboard, we believe your CRM should work for you, and not the other way around. Part of how we achieve this is by writing and automating everything for you. So, instead of spending hundreds of hours building something you only hope will succeed, you get to actually use Whiteboard for your business from day one. That's what makes Whiteboard Mortgage CRM different from any other CRM on the market, the Mortgage Playbook. The Mortgage Playbook is essentially the recipe to LO success all bundled up in one package. We designed, wrote, scheduled, and preloaded everything for you so that you have all your bases covered right out of the box. Wish you were marketing more to your leads and communicating better with your referral partners? We've got campaigns for that. Looking to increase your refi-based income? We have campaigns for that too. We even have conversational texting, so you can contact your borrowers and partners wherever they are, whenever you need to reach them. Whiteboard was designed with the help of top producers and directly reflects the practices they know work to gain more referrals and close more loans. They helped us create Whiteboard Mortgage CRM, and now they use it to grow their businesses. If you're looking for a CRM that works for you, fits your specific needs as an MLO, and is ready to go from day one, it's time for Whiteboard. The emails are already written, the campaigns are ready to go. This is how CRM should be. Ready to see more? Visit whiteboardcrm.com to schedule a demo today, or give a member of our sales team a call. We're ready to work with you.